Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a manual milk pump guide for mothers who are new to pumping and want to build a simple and comfortable routine. A manual pump is a popular choice because it is lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to use. Many mothers use a manual pump at home, while traveling, or whenever they need a quiet pumping session. Before starting, always wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean and properly assembled. Good preparation helps make the session smoother and more organized. Next, find a comfortable place where you can sit and relax. Many mothers find that a calm environment helps them feel more comfortable during pumping sessions. Before using the pump, take a few moments to settle in and prepare everything you need. Having storage containers and supplies nearby can make the process easier. When you begin pumping, use slow and gentle movements. There is usually no need to rush. A steady rhythm often feels more comfortable and easier to maintain. If milk does not begin flowing immediately, do not worry. It is normal for the body to take a few minutes to respond, especially if you are still learning the routine. During the session, try to remain relaxed and focus on maintaining a comfortable pace. Many mothers find that consistency helps make pumping easier over time. After the session is complete, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Finally, wash all pump parts thoroughly and allow them to dry completely before storing them for the next use. Remember that every mother's journey is different. Finding a routine that works for your lifestyle may take time, and that is completely normal. With patience, practice, and consistency, a manual milk pump can become a simple and useful part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.